Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is honestly one of the biggest opportunity videos I have made in the last few days because every single role in today's list is completely different. The first opportunity is offering a package of 9 plus LPA and they are providing professional training before joining the world's biggest client companies. Second opportunity is completely remote internship where you will work in cybersecurity industry, and third one is for people who love front-end development. So whether you're a fresher, final year student, or someone trying to switch into software development, at least one of these opportunities can fit your profile. So make sure to watch this video till the end because the last opportunity is actually one that many front-end developers will like. Now let's move on to the first opportunity, and this one is from M3 and they are hiring for their Graduate Recruitment Program in tech. So now this looks like a mass hiring. Now before you think that this is another training company, let me explain why this opportunity is actually different. M3 does not simply train candidates and leave them for searching jobs. Instead, they provide industry focused technical training, and after that, successful candidates are placed with their global client organizations. And these clients include companies from banking, healthcare, aviation, insurance, and several other industries. So, you are not joining just to attend classes, the entire goal is to prepare you for enterprise software development and place you with larger organizations. Now, let's talk about the salary because this is probably many people are waiting for. The starting package is around 9.15 LPA, which is honestly a very attractive package for fresh graduates. On top of that, they also mentioned salary increases every 12 months along with continuous mentorship throughout the program. Now let's understand what you will actually do. Instead of assigning you small practice projects, you will eventually work on enterprise software systems used by real businesses. That means you will help develop applications, maintain existing systems, solve technical issues, and contribute to software used by actual users. So, this is the kind of experience that helps you understand how large software companies really operate. Another thing I liked is that structured learning approach. Before you are deployed to the client company, you will complete around 6 to 12 weeks of technical training. That training covers both technical concepts and professional skills needed in enterprise environments. So instead of directly throwing freshers into production systems, they first make sure you are comfortable with the technologies. Now coming to the skills, the company is looking for candidates who are actually good at programming fundamentals. They specifically mention Java, Python, C, C++, data structures, design patterns, and problem solving. Notice something here, they are not asking 10 different frameworks, they are much more focusing on strong programming fundamentals and problem solving. That means you can expect a DSA questions in your technical rounds. And honestly, companies with higher packages usually care more about your thinking ability more than memorization of any framework. The eligibility is straightforward. If you are a 2026 graduate in CS, IT, or another STEM background with a good academic record, you should definitely check this one. There is a structured selection process including aptitude, coding rounds, communication assessments, technical interviews, and finally client interviews. So yes, process is competitive, but the package and career opportunity make it worth. Overall, if your goal is to enter software development and that too getting a mentorship and a premium package at starting, then this is definitely one of the best opportunity available right now. Now let's move to the second opportunity, and this one is from MicroSec and they are hiring front-end interns. Now honestly, this one immediately caught my attention because of the domain they are working in. Most front-end internships involving building dashboards or company websites, but here you will actually be working in cybersecurity. MicroSec is building enterprise security solutions using machine learning and post quantum cryptography. These technologies are designed to protect future digital systems from increasingly advanced cyber threats. So, even though your role is front end development, you will be contributing to products solving real security problems. Another thing that many of you will like is that this internship is completely remote across the India. So, if you are looking for remote internships, this becomes a strong option. Now, let's talk about the work. You will build modern Angular applications, create interactive dashboards, integrate APIs, and develop user interfaces that help visualize security related informations. Instead of spending months fixing small UI issues, you will be working on features that become part of real production cybersecurity platform. And that's exactly the type of project experience recruiters like to see on your resume. The tech stack is also quite impressive. They mentioned Angular, TypeScript, D3.js, NgRx, GraphQL, REST APIs, Docker, Linux, Git, and CI/CD. Now, don't panic if you don't know every single technology. No company expects you to master everything before joining, that too in an internship. But if you already know Angular fundamentals and build front end projects, then you should definitely have an advantage. I also like that they mentioned mentorship and learning opportunities. Since this is a startup working in deep tech, interns usually get much more exposure compared to larger companies where responsibility are often limited. So, if you are someone interested in front-end development but also curious about cybersecurity, AI, or enterprise software, this internship gives you exposure to all three. Now, let's move on to the third and final opportunity in today's video. This one is from Aris Investing, and they are hiring front-end developer interns. If you have been learning React recently, then this opportunity is probably the most relevant one in today's video. The company builds technology solutions for wealth management and investment advisory platforms. In simple words, they develop software. In simple words, they develop software that helps financial advisors manage investments and portfolios more efficiently. So you will be working in fintech industry, which is one of the fastest growing software sectors. The package here ranges between 3.6 to 4.6 LPA for interns, and they also mentioned the possibility of full-time conversions based on performance. Now let's understand the role. Your primary responsibility will be building responsive user interfaces for real fintech products. You will work with designers, integrate APIs, improve website performance, and help build features that actual users interact with. This is not just another internship where you will be only fixing pages, you will contribute to production ready front-end applications. The technology stack includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Git, and responsive web development. If you already have built React projects, personal portfolios, or front-end applications during your college, those projects will definitely strengthen your application. Another thing I liked is that the startup environment. In startups, developers usually get ownership much earlier. Instead of waiting months to receive meaningful work, interns often contribute directly to product features. That experience becomes very valuable when applying for your next role. And because they have also mentioned opportunities for full-time conversions, performing well during the internship could potentially lead to permanent software engineering position. So, if front-end development is your goal, this internship deserves a place on your first priority. So yeah guys, these were the three opportunities. If your goal is a high-paying fresher role with structured training and placement into global companies, then M3 is clearly the strong option. If you are interested in Angular, cybersecurity, and that too a remote work culture, then second opportunity is best one. And if you are passionate about React front-end development, then Aris Investing becomes an excellent choice. So apply consistently, keep building projects and improve your DSA, and don't stop learning after the college. That's exactly how many freshers move from average salary to top product based companies within few years. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. All the play link are in the description box. If this video helped you discover even one good opportunity, make sure to like the video and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity video, and share it with at least one your best friend who is actively applying for software jobs or internships. I will keep bringing more of verified opportunities, internships, and remote jobs. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.